As a hospital administrator, tasks like calculating outstanding debt, finding average patient ages, and counting admissions within specific date ranges are time-consuming. Instead of spending hours on manual calculations, you can automate these processes using Excel functions. By utilizing formulas such as SUMIF, AVERAGEIF, and COUNTIFs, you can efficiently perform these calculations in just a few steps, saving time and minimizing errors. This video covers advanced Excel calculations using SUMIF, AVERAGEIF, and COUNTIF with date and time functions for enhanced data analysis. Through real-world examples like patient record management, you'll learn to perform complex calculations efficiently and reduce errors. We'll also show how Excel's Copilot can streamline these tasks and boost your data analysis skills. By the end of this video, you will be able to apply arithmetic and logical functions in Excel for complex calculations. Use conditional functions like SUMIF, AVERAGEIF, and COUNTIF for data analysis. Integrate date and time functions within formulas to enhance data analysis.
Let's run through some high-level examples of the conditional functions. We have a dataset reflecting patient-related information for a hospital. And what if we also want to count how many of the patients were diagnosed with arthritis and were admitted in a specific month? One option could be to use a nested function, which, simply put, is a function within another function. You could use COUNTIF with the AND, but instead Excel has a different built-in function that can handle multiple conditions. So let's test out equals COUNTIFs in cell L2. Start with the first range containing the diagnosis in column E, then select the criteria being arthritis. Now for the next criteria range, the dates are in column H, and the criteria is where the date is equal to or after the 1st of June 2023. So the next range is again column H, and this time the final criteria will be where the date is equal to or before the 30th of June 2023, and press enter. It gives us a result of 2 patients. We can also verify this result with Copilot by prompting it to count how many patients were diagnosed with arthritis and admitted in June 2023. Press enter and you will notice this approach with Copilot could increase efficiency and save time by eliminating the need to manually create formulas, which also reduces the risk of errors. Copilot confirms there are 2 patients diagnosed with arthritis and admitted in the month of June. Let's move on to the next example. Summing up the outstanding bills for patients undergoing physical therapy who were admitted after the 1st of November 2023. Here, instead of SUMIF, we can also use SUMIFs, as there are 2 conditions. Enter the following formula in column M. Equals SUMIFs. Now highlight the sum range, which is column H. Highlight the first criteria range in column E. Now where the treatment plan matches physical therapy, and again highlight the next criteria range of column H containing the dates, and for the criteria we want Excel to focus on the dates equal to or after the 1st of November. If you do not wish to enter this formula manually, you can ask Copilot to assist. Try the prompt, sum the outstanding bills for patients receiving physical therapy who were admitted after the 1st of November 2023. Copilot will handle the rest and provides a SUMIFS formula like this. It also confirms that the total outstanding bill is $10,964. To analyze dates and times in Excel, you can use various functions to extract and calculate specific information. For instance, in column N, we can use equals day of the admission date. Or here in column O, we can use equals month of the admission date. Or in column P, to extract each of the components. If we had two additional columns, such as the surgery start time in column U and the surgery end time in column V, like with dates, you can subtract the end time from the start time in column W to determine the duration of the surgery, which lasted 5 hours and 36 minutes. And like every good surgeon has a surgical assistant, Copilot is always on standby to support you too. For example, if you want to extract the day of the week from the admission date, use the prompt, extract the day of the week from the admission date. Then insert the column, and now you can assess if there are a higher number of patients admitted during the week or on a weekend.
In this video, we covered how to use conditional functions like SUMIFS, AVERAGEIFS, and COUNTIFS in Excel to simplify complex calculations. You also learned how to integrate date and time functions for more advanced data analysis, helping you achieve accurate and efficient results. Now it's your turn. Practice using conditional functions along with date and time functions in your Excel projects to see the power in action. Keep honing those skills and use Copilot to streamline your workflow.